Alright, we're at the cabins at Fort Wilderness Campground. Give you a room tour. It's a week before Christmas, so we did do some decorating. Here's our deck. Little picnic table. Let's take a walk inside. So as you enter, we have the kitchen over here. A full-size refrigerator. We have, you step over here. We have a little stove top. Now this microwave right here acts as a microwave and an oven. There's some instructions here how to use the convection. A coffee pot. There's our coffee. Plenty of counter space. Toaster. And we did bring the little Christmas tree from our lanai in Sarasota. Add to the festive. We have a little couch here. And I believe this acts as a pull-out. TV here in the center. If you want to take a look, there's tons, and I mean tons of storage here. 6 pullouts, and then we've got a couple little desks and ton of storage units over here. I've been sitting here all night. This nice, comfy chair. This thing's gorgeous. Got the little ottoman that we can split. There's a kitchen table right here, and you can just I think they make great usage of the space here. Bench seating over here. 3 chairs here, so easily you can fit 6 people in here. The railroad, where once upon a time there was a railroad here at Fort Wilderness. Now, Susie, could you open up the cabinets and show that what we have in here? They do supply you with
measuring cup,
a little measuring cup,
pitcher. Down here we have some pots and pans.
Some pots and pans down here. Yeah, utensils.
Flip spatulas and stuff.
Okay.
Silverware.
Got silverware there.
Can opener. Bottle opener. Corkscrew.
Okay. Some towels. Backup roll of paper towels. Cleaning supplies.
I believe this one's empty.
Okay, that one's bare. Under here we have the trash.
And
Recycle. Yep. We got plates up here.
Bowls.
Plates and bowls, okay.
Here we have glasses.
Now we have glasses, some coffee mugs.
Mixing bowls.
Casserole dish. So everything you're gonna need to cook. Very spacious too. I mean,
Dishwasher.
Yep. The dishwasher down here, but it is. I think it's very spacious, wouldn't you say?
Mm-hmm.
There.
It would be crowded with 6 people in here, unless 2 of them were kids, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
But even then, it would be tight.
Have our golden retriever Rhody down here. Main reason why we're staying here. It is one of your pet-friendly resorts here at Walt Disney World.
It's pretty pooped from
He is poop.
the new experience.
Took him for a couple of walks earlier. Tons of scents. I mean, he was loving it. Showed you that one picture of Railroad. Now we have a picture over here of... We have Bambi. Is that Thumper?
Yes.
Okay. Look at me.
Good job.
And Thumper. Let me take a... soon. Going to the bathroom. Bathroom's beautiful. There's a sink. A couple shelves here for your toothpaste. Your toiletries. This is beautiful too. You can actually, during the day if you want to, you can actually open that window just to get some air in.
I think all the windows open.
Yeah, all the windows do open. It's very nice. Nice shower. Tons of like little shelving to put your shampoo if you actually do bring some from home, but they also supply you with the shampoo and conditioner.
Hook on the wall so you can leave your towel or your robe right outside the shower.
Susie pointed out a little hook on so you can put your robe or towel.
Lots of storage under here too, all your extra towels.
Oh yeah, look at all the extra towels they have here. Tons of storage down here. Extra rows of TP, Kleenex. I'll go into the bedroom here. Is this a queen?
I can't tell.
Okay. It's either it's bigger than a twin though.
Oh, it's either a full or a queen.
Okay,
and
so
I'm
it's either
not
a full
sure
or a
which.
queen. We're not sure which.
I think it's a full.
Okay. And they have bunk beds. So I mean, this would be perfect if you're coming with a couple of kids. You've all the sleeping arrangements right here. Rhodey's trying to figure out how to get on the bed. Yeah, so you got bunk beds. Again, windows. I wanted to do this video at night so we could show you the Christmas lights. It's another picture. What is that picture of?
I think it's like a trading post or something.
Okay.
Yep.
Got some lights over the bed. Again, we got the bunk beds. A little area over here. Nice. What would you call this area over here?
I don't really know. It's kind of like a makeup area.
Just to put your jewelry and makeup on.
Pretty much leave it.
Rhodey's in the closet trying to steal some shoes again. You got your typical safe. As you can see, I do have my laptop in there. So if it's a laptop, you can put your watches and keys and whatnot. Yes. An ironing board. And an iron. If you actually feel like doing ironing stuff. Nice closet space though. Got the extra pillow and blanket up here.
And there was an
So
extra
there's some
out in
more
the main
storage
room,
up
too.
there. What?
An
Another
extra pillow and blanket.
another
up in
pillow
the
and
main
blanket.
room.
got a TV here. Just guessing this might be a 32, and then some more. And just Tons of drawers, tons of space here.
No USBs though.
No, we did not find USBs, so if you do book a room here, make sure you bring your old school plugs to plug in your USBs.
Rhody.
Here's a view from the bedroom.
Come here. Oh boy. What's nice too is that you do have access to the deck from the bedroom as well.
Yeah, you do. So we'll take you, put his water bowl here. It's a really nice setup with the Christmas tree. It's really pretty in here. But yeah, we're going to show you how you do have access from the bedroom. We have a door out here that leads out to the deck.
You know what would be really nice is if they had screen doors.
Yeah. I don't know if that camera picked that up, but Susie said it would be really nice if they had screen doors. That's true. You could just have this all wide open and just listen to all the noises. I don't know, when we first started this video, you could hear an owl in the background. It's pretty cool.
I hear a Rhody in the background.
He really likes it here. All right, that's it. Leave some comments below if you've ever stayed here, and what your thoughts are. Thanks for watching. Make sure that you give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Talk to you later, guys.